Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use data while on a call on Android. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully, but first of all let me inform you that this feature is not available to all of the Android or iOS. So I will show you what it looks while you have any feature on your Android. First thing you have to do is you have to go to your phone settings option. Okay, after this type of interface will be available. Then you have to go to the network or internet or whatever the term is on your Android. Just go related to the network or internet where you can find the mobile network. So here it is, you can see at the second place which is written SIM code and mobile network. You have to tap on that. Okay, now at the second place you can see it is written internet access during calls. You have to turn this on. The term may be different, but you can definitely understand the option. You have to just toggle this on and that's it. The internet connection will be stable while you are having any phone call. So that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.